Hello guys, I'm going to explain to you how I am able to teach people how to make classic bags and shoemaking online. This is the breakdown of my online training. I do save their contacts according to their states and sometimes location. So you give me your name and your state. The purpose of that is in case of reference. Even when you lost your phone, I will be able to identify you. Your contact are saved with us. We can add you back at any time whenever you come back. All right? Yes. Two, you are free to chat me directly on WhatsApp. You can call me in the morning, afternoon, night. Ask your question and I will attend to you. But if it is on YouTube, you cannot call us. You cannot text. We don't save your contacts. On YouTube, we don't provide detailed teachings. We don't teach from the scratch, from the root, and break down everything. Okay? I'm also on YouTube. All right. And also, when you have a question about sewing machine, when the sewing machine is cutting your thread, is making noise, is skipping stitches, all right? Yes, whatever the challenge is, you can message me. I will attend to you, provide a solution straight on, especially only for our registered students. We have a WhatsApp registered group for questions and we do attend to you immediately. We do attend to the registered student immediately. You want to buy industrial sewing machine, we attend to you and deliver to your state, to your location. Straightforward. If it is having fault, having issue, you message us. We try our best. If we are far from you, we'll show you what to do. If it is something you can do, we show you the screw to loose, the adjustment to do. All right. And if you can, if it is something that is more than you, we will know it and tell you, okay, get this the contact of so engineer. Go and meet them in so place, wherever you are living in your country, in your state. In as much as we have your name safe and your state, you are our student. I do meet with those people physically. We make this connection above online. Okay? Yes. So, and the function of that WhatsApp registered group, again, we have a WhatsApp registered group. So, you can ask your questions there at any time. We do attend. But if it is something personal, a personal thing, maybe a challenge you are having with your fellow students, with your own students, you are a tutor, you have challenge with your student, you want to learn how to teach other people, all right? You want to know the rules and regulation of workshops, leather workshop. You are teaching people at home, you are teaching people in the shop, you have your own academy, wherever you are teaching, we guide you. By the grace of God, I have 15 years experience in the leather industry, more than 15 years experience. And my online training, once you pay, even if it is 5,000 alone that you paid for intermediate class, you are going to access all the over 50 different designs of classic bags from scratch measurement to finishing. And they are step by step. Step 1, the required materials. Step 2, the pattern making, how to take the measurement from here to here, how to create the shapes, why this shape was curved, why it was bent, why it was squeezed, why it was this and that. We teach you like that. Okay? Yes. So, and then you'll be following step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, and you finish your back. You then submit it to WhatsApp registered group. We'll now clap for you and then make corrections where necessarily. That is the way I do my online training. Okay? You want to buy industrial machines, you want to buy materials, we have contact of leather material sellers. Are you in Abuja, where we buy our materials? They are there in Otako Market, but the biggest place is Nyanya Market. If you are living in Abuja, exist. You are living in Gwagwalada. If you are living in Suleja, then you go to Morocco Road. All right? Yes. And then we give you the contact of those who can buy materials or buy your sewing machines. If you don't want to buy from us, you are closer wherever you are. Okay? Yes. Are you in Cameroon? Are you in Ghana? Are you in Kenya? Botswana? All right? Yes. And in Nigeria, if you are in Kano, Sabongari, and Kofa Wambe, that is where you get your materials. If you are in Jos, that is Plateau State, you go to Bukuru Park, Maternity Junction. That is where you get your materials. Yes. So there's this man, we call him Governor. His name is Governor in Plateau State, Jos. All right. And then if you are in Lagos State, one of the place, some little ones are in CMS, but one of the biggest place is Mushin Market in Lagos State. Just go to Mushin Market in Lagos State. Some are there in Yaba International Market. Some little ones are also at Ikorodu in Lagos State. So if you're in Kaduna, we get some of those things in Kaduna South. If you're in Benue State, you go to Boko or Tukpo. All right. Yes. So if you're in Abia State, if you're in Abia State, you go to Aba. Some of you that are in Delta State, Bayelsa State, you also have to go to Abia State to buy your materials. So this evidence are enough for you to know how we are creating connections. So it is beyond you watching this video online. We do meet the way you are seeing me like this, that is how we meet physically with this same clothes, same voice, same tone, same same teeth. Let me stop playing. So I'm a last born in my family, and my name is High Level of Grace HLG. So if you want to learn how to make classic bags, anything classic bags, that is my work. Bye.